What's up, my fellow Kasarambao, and welcome to our car review. Thank you, Mitsubishi Gateway, Gorodo, Cebu City, for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Ronel Alberto on his mobile phone. This is the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Dual AC. 1.050 million Philippine peso, Cebu City price. No airbags. Plain brakes, no ABS. Features: power steering. Here in front, tree grille design. You can see the window washer, wiper. Main grille is chrome Mitsubishi logo, silver headlight accent, body color bumper, and two grills for airflow. Headlights multi-reflector halogen. Signal and parking lights also halogen. At the bottom, signal lights halogen. At the sides, steel rim silver. Tires is 185 R14 Yokohama. Side pillar antenna manual. Manual side mirrors. Chrome doorknob and manual entry. Side vents design, black. A rubber tube connecting the front and back area. Two big side windows. Side opening. Gas tank cover. Manual type. Inside is gas cam with keyhole. Front suspension is independent wishbone and coil spring. And rear is semi-elliptic lift spring. Front brake is 10 inches ventilated disc. And rear is 10-inch leading and trailing drum. At the back, huge windows, chrome doorknob, manual entry. Taillights is halogen, metal black bumper, stepboard, and spare tire at the bottom. Let's open the back. Small hand grip, plain body color, doorknob chrome, old style door lock. To open this one, turn and pull, and also the upper part, turn and pull, then open. Huge cargo space. Bench type seats can be folded. Good for 7 to 8 persons each side. Auxiliary blower for aircon. And then jeepney type hand grip. Door panels is gray, plain, body color, old style door lock, synthetic leather, gray doorknob, gray hand grip, manual window, turn to open, then speaker. Driver side door panels is same gray. Body color, you know it's a diesel Euro 4. Synthetic leather, soft, gray hand grip, gray doorknob, manual window, turn to open, then speaker. Steering wheel is fixed, hand grip, dash visor is plastic, synthetic leather, Also this one, synthetic, soft, pull up to open, brake fluid inside, manual air vents lock, knob for letting the air outside to go inside, fuse box, and manual foot peg. Seats is synthetic leather, rubbery or plasticky on top. Pull this one, move the seat at this level, pull the backrest, unlock this one, and also the other side, then lift to open the engine bay. Batteries on this part, and this one, you can hook to this strap to steady open the engine bay. Two-spoke steering wheel, old-style diameter, urethane with black accent. Dash has analog speedometer, temperature, fuel gauge, small display at the side. Infotainment is a single DIN via two speakers with auxiliary and USB ready. Doom lights, halogen, center mirror conventional, sun visor with ticket clip on driver side, sun visor on passenger side. Side mount manual tranny, manual handbrake, pull to lock, pull then turn to unlock. There's a third row seats with seat belt. Synthetic leather, soft, here is leather also, plastic, glove box, space at the bottom, black air vents, manual lock, engine is a 2.2 4-cylinder inline 16-valve dual overhead cam turbocharged intercooler diesel engine. Max output is 99 PS, max torque is 200 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is 5-speed manual, fuel tank capacity is 55 liters. So that's it, my fellow Kasurambao. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support Vizen Vlogger. Bye and peace. Thank you.